These kinds of videos are going viral of recent. These shorts kinds of content are rare, but then rakes up thousands of views whenever they are posted. I am here to teach you all how to create those kinds of videos and go viral. Before that, subscribe to this channel and let's dive right into the video. There is this prompt I got from somewhere. Well, can't really recall vividly, but this will match what I want to do in this video. So I copy this whole master prompt and head to ChatGPT immediately and paste it there. This prompt will instruct ChatGPT to provide about 10 other distinct power prompts to create these kinds of videos. Now that I have gotten all my prompt, I will simply copy it again and paste it in my doc file because we would still be needing it later. Then let's head to the next step. Now we will need to generate images, and we would want to do that by using the newly released DeepSeek AI. Now we are in the AI tool. Simply go to the doc file and copy the second master prompt and paste it on DeepSeek. In this prompt, you instructed the AI tool to create 10 unique imaginative images that totally matches your story. You can request for the document if you need the script, then patiently wait for it to generate 10 customized image prompts that can provide great output when creating the image and then turning those images to video. Make sure you go through these prompts and then let's move to the next step. The next thing to do is to go to Qwen Chat. This is also a free image generation tool. There are 4 activities to be carried out here: artifacts, web search, which is not available yet, image generation, and video generation. So we select image generation, head to our doc file, copy the prompt, and paste it in the prompt box available there. Change the aspect dimension to what suits you, but I chose 9:16, which is the regular TikTok ratio. So click generate. Here's the result. You can see how natural this image looks like, so I will simply go ahead and download the image. You can do this for other prompts available at your disposal. Now to the next step. Head to Qwen AI, click on the Explore feature, and then go to Image Generation option. Here we have different model, but we will opt for Flux, and so set your aspect ratio to 9:16, and then paste the first prompt we have generated. Copy the prompt and paste it here and click Generate. Let's hold on for a while and let it show you the result it got. Check it out and then download. Go to Leonardo AI, go to Image Creation option. Now I'm going to use the second prompt from here. Simply copy it and come back to Leonardo AI. First, select the model to Wither Flux model or the Phoenix model. Tweak the settings like this aspect ratio and numbers of image to be generated. Then hit generate. You can see how it generated beautiful images that matches your story and prompt. Then go ahead and download it. You can tweak the settings a bit. Then copy another prompt from the doc file, and then paste, and then click Generate. It has generated the images as instructed in the prompt. And then download it. This will lead us to the next step. If you don't want to use Leonardo AI, go to Piclumen AI, copy the prompt from the doc file, head to Piclumen AI, and paste it in the prompt box there. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16. From here, make sure you select Flux model and then send. You can see what it had generated. Let's try it again with the next prompt from the doc file. Change the model to Flux, then click Generate. If you love what it generated, click Download, do it for the rest prompts, and download all the images. Now, until the next step, which is to animate those images, and we are to do that using Hailuo AI. Now, we are already signed into Hailuo AI. This tool is equally free to an extent, as it is limited by number of credits Hailuo AI is giving to user every day. Go to Image to Video option, drag and drop the image into the box, copy and paste in the appropriate prompt instructing it to transform the image to video. And then click Generate. It takes a lot of time to generate, I won't lie about that, but then we can try Kling AI even while waiting for Hailuo AI. Sign into Kling AI, drag and drop the image into the box. Now I will go and get the video prompt for the image. Copy it and come back to Kling AI and paste it directly under the image. Then click Generate. Give it just a few minutes to generate. And here's the result. This came very satisfactory and I love it. Okay, here's the full result so you can see that Kling AI is doing a great job. Afterwards, you can download it and head to CapCut. In CapCut, you know how to do the rest. Adding sound effects that matches the video piece. You can also add audio background if you feel like, then download it. And you are done. Before leaving, don't forget to leave a comment below and click the subscribe button. See you in the next one.